Hello students, today we are starting the chapter triangle, and in the triangle we are having the concept of similarity. In class 10 in the chapter triangle we are having the concept of similarity. Yes students, before starting the questions, or we can say that the exercise, first of all I want to discuss with you the first thing I have started was BPT. First of all, in the first class I have started the concept, and then I have started the BPT, completed it also. Basic proportionality theorem. In the basic proportionality theorem of any triangle is that let a triangle is ADC. So AN upon ND is equal to AL upon LC. That was the BPT. And we have studied about one theorem also, that is converse of BPT. That is the opposite of BPT. Means in that theorem that thing is given to us and we have to prove that this side is parallel to this side. So students, now see all of you. Here you can see the question given that that is question number 3rd of exercise 6.2 in your NCERT book. The given part is that this is a triangle ABCD. ABCD is not a triangle, it is a quadrilateral. But is that it has several triangles. So first of all, that thing is given to you. LM is parallel to CB. LM is parallel to CB. And the second thing, LN is parallel to CD, and we can say that LN is parallel to CD. That is given to us. And we have to prove that AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD. That is we have to prove in this question. So students, first of all, that is looks like as the BPT. As in BPT, lines, parallel lines are given to you, and you have to prove that the ratios, as it is in this question, lines are parallel and we have to prove the required ratio. So it is similar as the BPT theorem, BPT. So we will use the concept in BPT and we will solve this question to prove. First of all, we will come in the triangle ABC. Let's come on the triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, first of all, in triangle ABC, LM is parallel to BC. LM is parallel to BC. That is given here. ये हमें दे रखा है. If LM is parallel to BC, so it means AL upon LC is equal to AM upon MB. That is by BPT, by basic proportionality theorem. That is, and that is the equation number first, one equation. Now फिर से आ जाएंगे इसमें. इन ट्राइंगल ADC, we will come on the another triangle ADC. In ADC triangle, AL upon LC is equal to AN upon ND. That is the equation number second, and that is also by the help of BPT. So we can write it as also by BPT. So students, you can see that that is the equation number 1 and that is the equation number 2. With the help of both the equations we can solve. So we will write from equation first and second we get, let I am writing here, we know very well that AL upon LC is equal to AM upon MB, and we are watching that AL upon LC is equal to AN upon ND. So both the things are equal. So from equation first and second we can write, or we can write on equating equation number first and second. So students, see all of you, that is very easy. AM upon MB is equal to AM upon MB is equal to AN upon ND. That is AN upon ND. But in the to prove part, that is not given. That is not here. Here AM upon ND, AM upon MB is equal to AN upon ND. But that is not in the to prove part. Here it is AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD. So we will add one and both the sides. Let I am writing on adding 1 on both sides. So after solving it, we get am upon mb plus 1 can be written as 1 upon 1 is equal to an upon md. 1 can be written as 1 upon 1. mb comes up mb, so it is am plus 1 से 1 cancel, बचा mb. am upon mb, that is ab upon mb. Students, I have one change in this question. Before adding 1 on both the sides, we will take reciprocal. So let I am reciprocating this relation. On reciprocating, we get, so it will be mb upon am is equal to nd upon am. Now on adding 1 both sides, we get mb upon am plus 1 is equal to nd upon an plus 1. बच्चों मैं यहाँ पर कर रहा हूँ सॉल्व, इसके बाद क्या देख सकते हो am 1 1 can be written as 1 upon 1, 1 can be written am 1 am. So am 1 am, so am से am cancel, that is mb plus am is equal to am 1 am nd plus am 1 am. So it is mb plus am. mb plus am, you can see that is ab, that is ab upon am is equal to nd plus am. You can see that nd plus am, that is ad upon am. So students, you can see ab upon am is equal to ad upon am. अब फिर से इसे रेसिप्रोकल कर लेंगे. On taking reciprocal, we get am upon ab is equal to an upon ad. So that is am upon ab is equal to am upon an upon ad. That is the solution of that question. So students, I hope you understood it very well. First of all, we will make a figure, and figure is very clearly this line is parallel to this line and this line is parallel to this line. After it all, we will come on the given and to prove. We will write the given and to prove. If we are writing the given part and to prove part and the figure, so we are capable of taking 25% marks from the question. After having proof, we can achieve full marks in one question. After it all, I am taking one more important question, students. That is also very important question. Again I am taking the next question. Let I am taking the question number 5th. With the help of these questions, you can solve other questions. The figure of the question is this. First of all, there is a triangle P, Q, R, and then this line. O, Okay students, now here it is P, Q, R, O, D, E and F. So first of all students, we will write the given part in figure 6.20, that is the 6.20 figure in the book. DE is parallel to OQ. सबसे पहले हम लिखेंगे इन ट्राइंगल PQR. DE is parallel to OQ, means this side is parallel to this side. DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR, and that DF, that is the DF, is parallel to OR. That DF is parallel to OR. Show that means you have to prove. EF is parallel to QR. You have to show that EF is parallel to QR. Okay, now we will come to the proof section. These two questions will help you for solving the other 10 questions also. That is in the book. That is in the exercise 6.2. So students, सबसे पहले हमें दे रखा है कि EB is parallel to QO. That is in the triangle POQ. सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं इन ट्राइंगल POQ के अंदर. इन ट्राइंगल POQ सबसे पहले DF is parallel to OQ. That is given in the question. अगर DF QO के पैरेलल है, it means PE upon EQ is equal to PD upon DO. That is the first equation, and that is because of by BPT, that is basic proportionality theorem. Now we will come on the another part. Now DF is parallel to OR, and again DF is parallel to OR. DF OR के पैरेलल है. अगर DF OR के पैरेलल है तो देखिए PD upon DO is equal to PF upon FR. That is the second equation. That is also by BPT. So students, that is the first equation and that is the second equation. Let us solving this here from equation first and second. या फिर we can say that on equating equation first and second we get. देखिए बच्चों, PD upon DO is equal to this part and PD upon DO is equal to this also. So these both are equal. PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR. PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR, means this ratio PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR. This ratio is same. This upon this is equal to this upon this. So if the ratios are given and we are making the sides parallel, so we will have take help of the converse of BPT theorem. So by converse of BPT we get this ratio this to this ratio this is equal to EF is parallel to Q. So students, I hope this question is completed from my side. So at the last, EF is parallel to QR by the help of converse of BPT. So the homework for you is that complete both the theorems, learn both the theorems 2 times or 3 times and do it on the rough copy and in pairs also. And after it all, complete your work up to exercise 6.2. Okay, complete 6.1, that is very easy, and complete your work up to exercise 6.2 all of you. Okay students.